Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD, is a challenging condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It limits breathing and often makes everyday tasks exhausting. But there's new hope with Turbo EWOT, an advanced oxygen therapy approach that could significantly improve recovery and quality of life for those with COPD. My name is Michael Grant White, and I am the founder of Optimal Breathing. In this video, we will discuss how Turbo EWOT can help COPD patients. Turbo EWOT, or exercise with oxygen therapy, is a method that combines gentle exercise with oxygen-enriched air. Based on the principles of oxygen multi-step therapy developed by Dr. Manfred von Ardenne, this therapy targets the underlying oxygen deficiency in COPD patients by enhancing the body's oxygen supply during controlled movement. Dr. von Ardenne's research showed that improving oxygen delivery to tissues could support cellular health, particularly for people with lung issues like COPD. Oxygen is essential for every cell in our body. For COPD patients, lung function is often impaired, reducing oxygen flow to organs and muscles. This leads to severe fatigue, shortness of breath, and a low quality of life. Turbo EWOT helps address these issues by boosting oxygen levels during physical activity, promoting better energy levels, and reducing breathlessness. Turbo EWOT works on several levels to support COPD recovery. Research highlighted in oxygen multi-step therapy demonstrates that COPD patients often see improved oxygen levels while exercising with supplemental oxygen. By exercising while breathing in oxygen-enriched air, patients can experience increased physical endurance. With increased oxygen supply, muscles can work longer without tiring. This helps COPD patients move more easily, improving their day-to-day capabilities. Reduced breathlessness. Higher oxygen intake reduces breathlessness, even after therapy sessions are over. Clinical studies show patients report better breathing and less reliance on medications. Improved lung function. Some studies have documented increased lung capacity in COPD patients following consistent Turbo EWOT sessions, with lasting effects on lung function and reduced disease progression. The science behind Turbo EWOT shows impressive results. Clinical studies show that controlled oxygen therapy combined with exercise can significantly improve lung function and oxygen status in COPD patients. A study found that enhanced oxygen intake, improved energy, reduced inflammation, and boosted immune function, all of which are vital for COPD patients working toward recovery. Turbo EWOT can bring various benefits to COPD patients: better quality of life. With improved oxygen levels, patients experience less fatigue and better mobility, giving them more independence. Long-lasting results. Studies show that the effects of exercising with oxygen can last well beyond each session, often improving patients' oxygen levels for months. Reduced symptoms. COPD patients on Turbo EWOT often report fewer symptoms like dizziness and chest tightness, allowing for easier daily activities. While Turbo EWOT shows promise, it's essential to approach it safely, especially for COPD patients. Work with your healthcare practitioner. Always start Turbo EWOT under the guidance of a healthcare provider familiar with the therapy. Monitoring oxygen levels. Track oxygen levels during each session to avoid overstressing the respiratory system. Professional setups usually monitor oxygen levels to keep them within safe ranges. Stay consistent. For the best outcomes, consistency is key. Patients should engage in regular moderate sessions to maximize the long-term benefits. Turbo EWOT is not a cure for COPD, but it's a powerful tool that can support better lung function, improved energy, and a higher quality of life. For COPD patients looking to regain some control over their health, Turbo EWOT might be the next step toward. If you're interested in knowing more about Turbo EWOT, check the benefits of EWOT on optimalbreathing.com. If you would like to place an order for Turbo EWOT, please call 704-597-6075 or email hello@optimalbreathing.com.